What the brap is up, fellow brapsters? Cody with Two Wheels and a Tent here. And one of the questions I get asked a lot is, what gear did I use on my adventure? So, I'm just going to go through real quick while we're out what I'm using on this trip. And I'll try to do this in future trips as well. We have the Big Agnes Copper Spur HV UL2 bike packing tent. Give it 4 thumbs up if I could. As far as a sleeping bag, I used the Nemo Nocturne 15 degree. It's a little older model, but this thing is great. It is down. Compresses pretty small, but it's chilly. You can see my breath, and with my thermal layer on, it was just great. Of course, the trusty Glock for our sleeping pad. This trip we're using the Nemo Tensor. And this has served me well so far. Just want to make sure you don't inflate it too much if you like a soft bed. And we use the Nemo Pillow Luxury because it's pretty much a full-size pillow, and it folds up into itself. Very nice. I use that to prop up against the tent wall, and then this inside when I'm like reading to keep my neck up a little bit. Also use the Sea to Summit Arrows pillow. This goes inside the mummy part of the sleeping bag, the hood, and it works great. Love that thing, and it packs up like the size of your fist. And of course, we have the Petzl Noctilite case so that you can hang it in your tent, and the Acticore headlamp, which the cool thing about that is it's rechargeable. The Petzl Noctilite headlamp, and I think that's about it as far as the sleeping gear and what I'm living in on this trip. Let me know in the comments below what you use on your trips. If you've got a favorite item or a favorite way to pack things. Always looking for things that pack smaller but are still comfortable. So anyway, I hope that helps. I know some of you were interested in what I'm using, so thought I'd share it. Thanks for tuning in. As always, stay safe and come join the adventure, baby.